Hello friends, this is me Aksha and this is my brother Habib. Say hello. Hello. Okay, what we gonna draw today? Popsicle. I'm yummy popsicle. Okay, are you ready? Yes, sure. Okay, now let's draw first top of it. Are you ready? Come on. First draw like this. Come on. You need to draw the pony. No, Popsicle, do like this. From here, then to here. Great job. Now, same thing like over here. Same thing like over here. Oops. Now, we're gonna do like this. Now we're gonna do like that. Do here somewhere. Good job. And over here, we're gonna draw like this. Okay. Are you done? Okay, good. Now, on top of it, some like sprinkles. Yep. Good job, good job. Finish. Finish. Okay. Now over here from bottom, you're gonna draw this. Over here. On the bottom, you're gonna draw like this. Not too much long, okay? Now here we're gonna draw cute little eyes. Okay. There. Here. 1 and 2. Like this. Great job. Now we're gonna make cute little face. It's so cute. Okay. It's so cute. Now you're gonna make some face. Where's face? Here. Here. Oh, it's so cute. Now let's color. So now we're gonna add eyelashes. Eyelashes. I love eyelashes. Maybe eyelashes too. Yep. Okay. Just like eyelashes. Good job. Now we're gonna make another popsicle. It's rainbow. And it's a phenomenal. Okay. Just same thing, but it's rainbow. Come on. Oh, you did a little bit. There. Okay. Or banana ice creams. There. Now we're gonna color. What? My favorite guy. I can do red here. There. On this one. And then do this one. Just be careful for black. I can't. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, I did it. I did it. There. First, we have to make some outline like this. channel, like and share. Bye bye. Happy. You have to eat? Yeah. It's enough. Bye.